Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 17 plate Toyota C-HR XL. This is the 1.2 turbocharged petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in white pearl, and it's covered just 46,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really good looking small SUV from Toyota, the C-HR. March 2017 registered, 46,000 miles from 2 former keepers. Really good looking car on this pearl white. It's a 3-stage pearl paint which looks absolutely tremendous. We've got these really nice 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in excellent condition all the way around. Really are in good shape, the wheels, which isn't always the case on cars of this nature, but really do look the part. Good service history. We've got 5 recorded services right the way through its life, so properly well maintained. And this is the 1.2 turbocharged petrol engine with 114 brake horsepower. It's not hybrid, it's just a straightforward petrol motor. Timing chain engine, very reliable. No hybrid battery to concern yourself with. £190 for 12 months tax, up towards 50 miles per gallon on a combined run. Obviously you've got this nice high driving position, which is one of the main benefits of these C-HRs. Nice big high driving position, good visibility. Very similar sort of shape to a Nissan Juke, I suppose, in that sort of size of vehicle. This is the XL model, which has got a really nice level of specification, probably more than I'm going to remember, so do have a look at the specification on the website, but I'll try and run you through as much as possible. Remote locking, it does have 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors, electronic lumbar support. It's got its original C-HR mats. We're fighting against the darkness, so we'll try our best. It's got park assist, push button start, cruise control with a speed limiter up onto the steering wheel, which again is in really good condition. You've got controls for your trip computer, you've got lane assist, you've got collision prevention. On the other side you've got your Bluetooth controls, you've got your radio controls. It does have automatic lights. 46,000 miles. Nice big leather armrest, cup holders there. The interior, hopefully you can see on the camera, it's a very dark brown, partial leather and cloth interior. It's in really good shape. Very classy interior actually. Electronic handbrake, it's got auto hold as well, 6-speed manual gearbox, couple of keys, USB and auxiliary. And then this is my favourite part about this car, up onto the infotainment. It's a really nice setup, it points towards you, really easy to use. We've got heated front seats, 3 different options there. We've got obviously dual zone climate control, and then up onto your big infotainment display. Now this is great, you've got satellite navigation built in, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, we've got your trip computer and all your car information, we've got DAB digital radio, and if I put the car into reverse, nice big clear reversing camera at the back as well. So really nice setup, and like I say, nice and high up off the ground. Quite a striking looking car, especially in this white pearl. It really does glint. Door handles up at the top here, and then again you've got your carpet mats in the rear. Electric windows in the back, really nice and clean and tidy. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts. ISOFIX for the child seats as well. Front and rear parking sensors, so along with the camera you've got front and rear parking sensors to go with it. So no excuses for bashing it into things. Then we've got this really well styled rear of the car. And then into the boot space, parcel shelf at the top. Split folding rear seats. And the seats will go pretty much flat as well. And then a really good size loading area. We've got this cover over the top to protect the carpet, which is in really good shape, and underneath that you've got your inflation kit and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it. I like this one. March 2017 Toyota C-HR Excel 1.2 Petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox. 46,000 miles, 2 former keepers, 5 services recorded, loads and loads of spec. Finance is available from less than £240 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with an a fresh advisory-free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment-only basis, so if you would like to go and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups, and specific technical specs, please have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. This car is currently on a private registration, which does come with the vehicle, so have a look in the description on the website or in the YouTube write-up, and the private registration is on there. That does come with the car. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Should be a popular car, really nice spec, sensible price, and really nice condition as well. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next.